5 cool technologies you've never heard of before. 1. Quantum Internet. This is a new type of internet that uses quantum computing and quantum communication to create a secure and ultra-fast network, for example. The traditional internet relies on transmitting data in the form of packets of information, which can be intercepted and potentially read or altered by hackers. Quantum Internet, on the other hand, uses the principles of quantum mechanics to create a network that is completely secure. Quantum communication relies on the concept of quantum entanglement, which is a phenomenon where two particles become inextricably linked and can affect each other's properties, even when they are separated by great distances. By using pairs of entangled particles, known as qubits, quantum communication can transmit information that is completely secure, as any attempt to intercept or measure the qubits would cause them to become disentangled, destroying the information. In addition to providing increased security, quantum internet has the potential to be much faster than traditional internet, as it can transmit information at the speed of light. It also has the potential to enable new technologies, such as quantum computing, which could revolutionize fields such as drug discovery and cryptography. However, it is important to note that quantum internet is still in the experimental stages and is not yet widely available. Much research and development is needed before it can become a practical and accessible technology. 2. Smart dust. Tiny sensors that can be scattered around an environment to collect data on temperature, light, sound, and other variables. This data can be used for a wide range of applications, including environmental monitoring and industrial automation, for example. Smart dust refers to a network of tiny wireless sensors that are small enough to be scattered around an environment like dust. These sensors are typically only a few millimeters in size and can be equipped with a variety of sensors to detect things like temperature, humidity, light, sound, and even chemical pollutants. The sensors communicate wirelessly with each other and with a central computer, allowing for real-time monitoring of environmental conditions in a wide range of applications. For example, smart dust can be used for environmental monitoring to detect pollution levels, track weather patterns, and monitor changes in the ecosystem. In industrial automation, smart dust sensors can be used to monitor equipment performance, track inventory, and optimize processes. Smart dust technology has the potential to revolutionize many fields by providing a wealth of real-time data on environmental conditions. However, there are also challenges to be overcome, such as ensuring that the sensors are reliable, robust, and energy efficient, and that the data they collect is accurate and useful. Nonetheless, smart dust has the potential to be an important tool for improving our understanding of the world around us and optimizing a wide range of processes. 3. Augmented reality contact lenses. These contact lenses use microelectronics to display digital information directly on the user's eye. This technology could be used for a wide range of applications, including gaming, navigation, and medical monitoring, for example. Augmented reality contact lenses are a new type of contact lens that incorporate microelectronics and miniature display technology to overlay digital information directly onto the user's eye. These lenses have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with digital information by providing a more seamless and immersive experience. The contact lenses use tiny microelectronics to project images and text onto the user's eye, which can then be integrated with the user's real-world environment. For example, an augmented reality contact lens could display navigation information directly onto the user's field of view, making it easier to navigate unfamiliar environments. In gaming, augmented reality contact lenses could be used to provide a more immersive gaming experience, with virtual characters and objects appearing to interact with the real world. Augmented reality contact lenses could also have important medical applications. For example, they could be used to provide real-time monitoring of vital signs, such as blood sugar levels or blood pressure, which could be particularly useful for people with chronic medical conditions. They could also be used to assist with surgical procedures, providing doctors with real-time information about the patient's condition without the need for external monitors or displays. While augmented reality contact lenses are still in the early stages of development, they have the potential to be a transformative technology, changing how we interact with digital information and providing new possibilities for medical monitoring and treatment. 4. Swarm robotics, a group of robots that work together to accomplish a task. This technology has a wide range of applications, including search and rescue, environmental monitoring, and construction, for example. Swarm robotics is a field of robotics that involves the coordination of multiple robots to work together in a decentralized way to accomplish a task. Instead of a single robot performing a task, a swarm of robots can work together in a coordinated way to achieve the same goal. Swarm robotics has a wide range of applications, including search and rescue operations, environmental monitoring, and construction. For example, in search and rescue operations, a swarm of small robots could be sent into a disaster zone to search for survivors, with each robot covering a different area and communicating with the others to coordinate their search efforts. In environmental monitoring, swarm robotics can be used to monitor air and water quality, track wildlife populations, and gather other data about the natural world. In construction, swarm robotics can be used to build structures more efficiently, with multiple robots working together to lay bricks or assemble components. One of the key advantages of swarm robotics is that it allows for redundancy and fault tolerance. If one robot fails or is damaged, the rest of the swarm can continue working to complete the task. Additionally, swarm robotics can be more adaptable and flexible than traditional robotic systems, as the individual robots can adjust their behavior based on changing environmental conditions. Overall, swarm robotics is an exciting and rapidly developing field with the potential to transform many industries and applications, from disaster response to manufacturing. 5. Liquid biopsy, a new type of blood test that can detect cancer by analyzing tiny fragments of DNA that are released into the bloodstream by tumors, for example. Liquid biopsy is a non-invasive blood test that can detect cancer by analyzing tiny fragments of DNA that are released into the bloodstream by tumors. This new type of test has the potential to revolutionize cancer detection and monitoring, as it allows for early detection of cancer and real-time monitoring of treatment effectiveness. Cancer cells shed small fragments of DNA into the bloodstream, known as circulating tumor DNA, CNA, as they grow and divide. Liquid biopsy technology detects these fragments of CNA and analyzes them for mutations or other changes that are associated with cancer. Liquid biopsy can be used in a variety of ways, including early cancer detection, monitoring treatment response, and tracking disease progression. For example, liquid biopsy can be used to detect cancer in its early stages, before symptoms appear, which can lead to earlier treatment and better outcomes. Liquid biopsy can also be used to monitor treatment effectiveness by detecting changes in CNA levels over time. This can help doctors determine whether a particular treatment is working or if a patient needs to switch to a different therapy. Overall, liquid biopsy is a promising technology that has the potential to transform cancer detection and monitoring. While there are still challenges to overcome, such as developing more sensitive and specific tests and reducing false positives, liquid biopsy has the potential to improve patient outcomes and save lives.